Welcome to another exciting episode of The American Dream, Selling Louisiana. I'm your host, Crystal Bonin. Today, we're going to explore our inner wild child, and then we're going to take a luxury home tour that would make even the housewives jealous. So our first stop is going to be a place where imagination knows no boundaries, Little Town Zachary. Little Town Zachary is an indoor play area. It's great for exploring, learning, and creating memories. So let's go inside and talk with my friend Janelle. She is the visionary behind this masterpiece. Hey, how are you?
How are you?
I'm great. The place is amazing.
Thank you.
I love it. I love all the houses.
Yes.
So it's the first time I've been in here. You just opened.
Supposed to open in April, but it was May 1st that we opened.
So all the houses that you have in here, they're all sponsored?
Yes, the majority of the houses are sponsored. They, local businesses in Zachary generously helped start up. So basically we made the businesses look like the real businesses. So we have a mini CC's, a mini Y Farms, kennels for your dog grooming and boarding, a little quality tire for your mechanic shop.
And then what about the stage?
So this is our theater, and we have all of our dress up clothes where we have the accessories so your kid can dress up and play, put on our show, grab some popcorn.
So this is where you host your birthday parties. How many can you accommodate?
So our birthday parties include 20 kids, max 30, just kind of depends, but we're saying 20, so yeah.
Okay, and what do they get? Is it a couple of hours where they have the private play?
So it's a 2-hour birthday party. You get a customized digital banner, all of the tablecloths and utensils and plates and all of that are included. Your birthday child gets to be the mayor of Little Town for the day, so then they get like a little sash that they get to keep. So our mural was...
So pretty.
Yes, our mural was done by the talented art teacher in Zachary. She added so many unique details, like the clock is 10/18, which is a day that I signed my lease.
Oh, wow.
So, and then she added our little houses, and then she added her little studio, the Courtney studio, where you can see this painting inside the window.
Well, we've had fun time here. And next, we're going to head on over and switch gears with a luxury listing. So if you thought that play date at Little Town Zachary was amazing, wait until you see what we have in store for you here. We are in Ethel, Louisiana. Ethel is in East Feliciana Parish. It's about 20 minutes north of Zachary. If you want country living, it's one of the best places to be. And this home behind me is fabulous. We're in 22.7 acres. There's a stock pond in the back. We have almost 5,000 square feet of living area and over 8,000 under roof. Let's go ahead and take a look at what you get for $1.25 million in Ethel, Louisiana. So this home, or this masterpiece, I should say, is a combination of sophisticated elegance and modern living that is sure to impress. I'm here in the gourmet kitchen. Who would not want to entertain here? We have high-end appliances, the oversized island, full-size refrigerator, freezer, ice maker, everything that you need for entertaining. And then right off of this, the floor plan is so open that you have the formal dining area. And then I love the double-sided fireplace. If you do not know which room you want to feel cozy in today, you can decide. You can be in the dining or you can be in the amazing living room. The ceilings in here, 24 feet high. And then you have these floor-to-ceiling windows, which just bathe the room in natural lighting. The master suite in this home is its own wing, so you have privacy, and you would wake up to these amazing views every day. But the star of the show in this master suite is going to be the bathroom. Another great feature about this house is this bedroom. Yes, I said bedroom, but look at the surprise. It's actually like a little efficiency apartment. We have a little kitchenette in here, and it also has its own entry. are in the outdoor kitchen, which not only does it have the full outdoor kitchen, it has the brick pavers and amazing views of this stocked lake. Whether you're entertaining or relaxing, this home has it all. I've been your host, Crystal Bonin, and I'm reminding you that the American dream is not all about the home. It's about the communities and the people that make them extraordinary.